Welcome to Electrical Engineering Bootcamp Knowledge in Minutes. In this video, I am going to go over the advantages of capacitive voltage transformers. As you probably know already, CVTs or the capacitive voltage transformers are different than traditional voltage transformers with the two capacitors and an inductor as shown in front of you right now. Now, the two capacitor acts as a voltage divider, and the inductor is to actually tune the device to the line frequency. This inductor makes the overall division ratio less sensitive to changes in the burden from the connected protective device. As for advantages of the CVT over the traditional potential transformer, it is that the current does not feed into the core losses due to the capacitors, whereas with the voltage transformer, some of the current does feed into. Now, CVTs in general are the preferred one to use in higher voltage application, such as in the extra high voltage and the ultra high voltage range. If you want to build a more comprehensive knowledge base revolving around the substations, I recommend you to check out my course in Udemy called Substation Power Engineering Fundamentals. Now, this is a comprehensive video course where you can learn industry-specific knowledge about power substations that you would not have known unless you worked within the utility industry for a number of years. So if you're interested in joining this course, please check it out with the link in the video description for this from this video.